the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video of the Belkin Type-C charger here. So I picked this up at Walmart today for 20 bucks. So this is what the box looks like right here. So it says here USB-C, 3.3 feet, 10 gigabytes per second. There it says USB-C to USB-A cable, and it, on the side of this says you guys that's compatible with Type-C enabled devices like smartphones, tablets, and stuff like that. On the back, it has USB 3.1 and it's fast charging capable, so that's a win. And it says transfer data up to 10 gigabits per second. Super speed, supports charge and sync right there, and you guys can see right there and all that information. I got different information down there. So let's take this thing out the box. So I needed a new phone charger for my phone, so I got this today at Walmart for 20 bucks. So yeah. So here it is, guys. The cable. It's available in black there. Nice cable. It has Belkin branding right there. It has the brand logo right there next to it on the actual charger. So it's a 3.3 feet charger. So that's what it looks like wrapped up and whatnot. So yeah, nice looking charger. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.